Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. As you can tell by the title, in today's video I'm going to be making vegan chocolate chip muffins because I have all the ingredients to make chocolate chip muffins, so why not make them? This is very easy to make, very simple ingredients, so let's get into the video. So I preheated the oven to 400. I'm adding 2 cups of white flour. You can use wheat flour if you don't have white flour, whichever you choose. And now I'm adding a half cup of white sugar and 3 tablespoons of brown sugar. I'm adding 3 teaspoons of baking powder and also a half teaspoon of sea salt. And now I'm just mixing it up all together. And I'm breaking up the brown sugar with my fingers because they were in clumps. And now I'm adding 1 cup of unsweetened almond milk and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And this is a flax egg. I use 1 tablespoon of ground flaxseed and 2.5 tablespoons of water. You can also use egg replacer if you have that. And now I'm adding a half cup of melted dairy-free butter. You can use canola oil or vegetable oil. And I'm adding in the egg replacer. And once it's done mixing, I'm adding in the chocolate chips. I added in about 1 cup. You can add as many as you like. And I got these chocolate chips from Trader Joe's. They are dairy-free. And now I'm adding some chocolate chunks on the top just to finish it off. And now I'm going to bake it at 400 degrees for 25 minutes. So I have a muffin. Smells good. It's moist. I tried to make muffins before, vegan muffins, and it was falling apart. It was kind of mushy too. That's because I used bananas. But these are like regular muffins. That moist, crumbly texture. I love the chocolate chunks on top. Okay, so that was a simple, very easy to make chocolate chip muffin recipe. That is all for today. Make those muffins. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.